In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money using Coinbase, a beginner's guide designed to help you navigate the world of cryptocurrencies. Let's start with the first and most basic step, signing up and verifying your Coinbase account. It's a straightforward process where you'll need to provide some basic personal information. This helps Coinbase ensure security and comply with government regulations. Remember to double check your details before submitting and complete any verification steps required to unlock full account features. Once your account is ready to go, it's time to deposit funds. You have several options here. You can choose to transfer money from your bank account, use a debit card, or even initiate a wire transfer. Each method comes with its own processing times and possible fees, so take a moment to decide which one suits you best. For a seamless experience, ensure that the account you are transferring from is in your name. With funds available in your account, you are ready to buy popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Coinbase offers an easy-to-use platform where you can search for the crypto you're interested in. Once you've decided, click to buy, and your crypto will be added to your portfolio. Be sure to buy within your budget and consider diversifying across different coins to spread your risk. Now that you own some cryptocurrencies, one strategy to consider is holding your crypto long term to benefit from price appreciation, commonly known in the crypto community as hodling. The idea here is to keep your crypto investments safe and secure over time, patiently waiting for their value to increase. It's akin to a wait and watch approach where the long-term trend can be your friend. If you prefer a more dynamic approach, you could actively trade. This involves buying low and selling high, allowing you to capture profits as the market fluctuates. Active trading requires keeping an eye on market trends and possibly setting up alerts for price changes. It can be rewarding, but remember, it also comes with higher risk, so it's often recommended to start small and gradually scale up as you gain confidence. Another opportunity to explore on Coinbase is staking. Staking involves holding certain cryptocurrencies in your account to support the network operations, and in return you earn rewards or passive income. It's a way to make your assets work for you while holding them. Finally, when you're ready, you can withdraw your profits to your bank account or choose to reinvest them to grow your portfolio further. It's crucial to have a clear financial goal and consider this part of an ongoing process rather than a one-time decision. That's it for today's guide on making money with Coinbase. Whether you're hodling, trading, staking, or reinvesting, remember the importance of doing your thorough research and being patient in your cryptocurrency journey.